What's up, guys? So, welcome back to another new video. So, today, what we're gonna cover is how to get redstone. And as you all know, redstone dust is a key resource in Minecraft used in redstone circuits and crafting. I'm going to show you all the main ways to collect it, including mining, looting, trading, and mob drops. So let's get down to the first one. So, our first one is to loot chests. You can find small amounts of redstone dust in various generated structures, monster room, desert temple, woodland mansion chests. They usually contain 1 to 4 redstone dust and have a chance about 26.6% to 44.8%, and the other structures as mineshaft, stronghold, storeroom, and altar chest contain 4 to 9 redstone dust, having a chance of 12% to 18.6%. Other redstone circuit locations include jungle pyramids, woodland mansion jail cells, and ancient cities. These are all useful biomes but not efficient for bulk collection. Mining redstone ore is our second way to get redstone. So basically, what we require is an iron pickaxe or a diamond pickaxe, which is better. For the usual this type of redstone ore, the redstone dust drop is about 4 to 5 per block, and you see it is up to 8 with enchantment fortune 3 applied to our pickaxe. And the thing is, redstone ore spawns in two patterns. Y64 to Y15 spawns 4 times in blobs of up to 10, and for Y63 to minus 32, it spawns 8 times in blobs of up to 10. The best Y level is between minus 64 and minus 32, where both spawn patterns overlap close to the bedrock. Our third way to get redstone ore is basically by trading with a villager. So basically what we need is to trade with a clerk villager, and requires a brewing stand like this right here. So what I'm gonna do is trade with him. So as we can see, we can get 2 redstone dust against 1 emerald. So I'm gonna perform this trade, and here I have done it, and I can do it again. Note that we can do this trade about 12 times, or it has 12 uses, and after that it is disabled, and this type of trade is always guaranteed. Trade cost cannot be reduced by curing. So the fourth way to get redstone is basically by becoming hero of the village in Java Edition. So basically we have to trigger a raid, and we can do it by drinking an ominous bottle and entering a village. We have to defeat the raid to earn the hero of the village title. So the afterwards the defeat of the raid, the clerics may gift us lapis lazuli or redstone dust. Note that we must stand within 5 blocks to receive the gifts, and the gifts have a cooldown period of 30 seconds to 5 minutes 30 seconds, and the effect duration is about 40 minutes. So let's defeat this raid. Okay, guys, so basically we have to keep on, defeating the raids, and eventually we'll get the title hero of the village. And the way I told you, we have to go to the clerk, and we will easily get the redstone dust. Okay, guys, so our final way to get redstone dust is by witch drops. So in Java edition, witches always drop 4 to 8 redstone dust. With looting 3, we can get it up to 11 redstone dust, and this is a guaranteed drop. And for Bedrock edition, they can drop up to 0 to 2 redstone dust, and with looting 3 up to 5 redstone dust. But the thing is, this drop is not guaranteed in Bedrock edition. Java has more consistent and higher redstone drops from witches. So basically, the witch spawning is that they spawn in overworld biomes at light level 0 and cannot spawn in mushroom fields or deep dark. They appear in raids, Wave 3 in Java and Wave 4 in Bedrock. They're also found in witch huts like you're seeing before yourselves, like this one, oak structure with a cauldron and crafting table, and witches. So we can see a crafting table, a cauldron, and the witch itself. So basically, it is best to stay here or camp here and keep on killing witches if you want. And you can just build a witch farm like that and keep reaping the benefits. That was all for this video. If you like this guide, please leave a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.